Say hey, babe. Watch the boss. Hey YouTube. So we just landed in Jamaica, so I'm excited. You know we had to come to KFC upon touchdown.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Yeah, Uncle.
Welcome. Thank you.
Champagne, cheese and pale.
We had a champagne in the fridge, you know. Oh, that's nice.
This is very nice.
Ooh. Trying to do my video.
Look at this big shower right here.
Oh yeah. Oh, we about to have fun.
Yes.
Okay, so you have a little refrigerator that is stocked daily based on your consumption.
So this is the refrigerator here? What?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, really?
I love this room. We ducked off in the corner.
So on the TV, you can see all the different entertainment activities that goes on the resort.
This is great.
We want in-room dining. You just
So any phone? It works on any phone?
yeah.
Good night.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Good, good.